watch it. Oh, clear.
They race down towards Tatnam Corner. Mr. Combustible making the running from Perfect Sunday on the outside. Future Sandhurst is third. Then Galileo coasting out wide of Dilshan, followed by Storming Home. Golan punched along and Chancellor between horses. They're chased back in the field by Taboo and King Carew as they straighten up for home in the Derby. And it's Mr. Combustible challenged by Perfect Sunday. Galileo pushed along on the outside. Then Future Sandhurst from Dilshan. Storming Home trying to get out. They've got just over 2 furlongs to go. Mr. Combustible and Perfect Sunday. Here's Galileo now charging down the outside, and Galileo comes to take over from Mr. Combustible. Then Perfect Sunday. Golan running on from the rear. Then Dilshan and Future Sandhurst, but Galileo is really opening up as they run down inside the final furlong. Galileo by 4 to 5 lengths. Golan staying on in second place, but nearing the line. It's Galileo. He's left them toiling. It's no contest. Galileo, a brilliant winner of the Derby. Golan is second, Taboo is third, then Mr. Combustible.